chapter 1006.
The chapter was good. It was not bad. It was
The
not bad at all.
Yogoro the flower.
The MVP.
What are your views on the chapter, man? Umang.
Overall,
Yeah, it was good. Like it was really good. Like from like if we compare from the last chapter, it was really good.
Yeah, previous
Like
chapter was good too, but this one is just
yeah, but
it's very
yeah,
different.
in this one,
overall,
yeah,
yeah, I agree. Overall, the chapter was full of action.
yeah,
Yeah,
it
it
was full
was.
of action
Yogoro
kind
the
of
flower, right?
Marco has some
yeah,
screen
we
time, and Yogoro
finally
had some screen time. So overall, it was good.
Yeah, the thing with Sanji is he was confused, right? Whether to go and save Kinemon and the others, or whether to
Hmm.
go and save Shinobu and Momonosuke.
Hmm.
So, and we didn't even see Jack this chapter. So I was thinking that we could see Sanji versus Jack this chapter, but unfortunately we did not see that.
We
But
did
we
not
did
see
get to
many
see some
things.
Marco. Yeah, but
Yes.
we did get to see Marco, right? Marco was fucking
First
amazing.
of all, that mysterious character. Second of all, Jack, and third, Kaido's hybrid form. There are a
Kaido's
lot.
hybrid form.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Oda is teasing a lot.
yeah, we're not gonna see that until all the fights are over here.
Hmm.
First, yeah, Marco this chapter was amazing.
Hmm.
yeah we
But I
finally
mean,
got to
he held
Dude,
off
see.
two
he was
commanders,
up
first and
against.
second commander, on his own. But he was laying down in this chapter. He was amazing.
He was up against two,
Yeah, King
two
and
of him.
Queen. King. I lost my shit when King literally cut his entire wing off. I thought that how could he regenerate that entire wing? But I guess he can. He
Yeah,
His
can
like
just
defensive
he
power
regenerate his
is.
no,
entire
he
wing.
can no, he can regenerate now because like during Paramount War with Kizaru, like Kizaru did blast his whole wing or like to protect like he did come in between to defend
Yes.
Whitebeard.
Yeah,
So yeah,
he took that entire attack. But
exactly.
people say that that wasn't Kizaru wasn't using haki in that attack and blah blah blah. That's why Marco was able to regenerate. But in this attack, King used haki, right, to cut his wing off.
Hmm.
Otherwise, how was he able to cut his wing off if he wasn't using haki? So
Yes.
even when using haki, he can regenerate his entire wing. But we did not see that. We did not see him regenerating the wing, or did we? No, I don't think we see him regenerating the wing. It's just his hand in that pose after he got his wing
Yeah,
cut
yeah,
off.
yeah. It's just his
But
hand,
he
not
can
his wing.
but no, but he can
Yeah,
regenerate his wing now because he's full of flames. So he can regenerate it.
He
yeah,
will
I
regenerate
guess
them.
so, but
He will
that is
regenerate them after a
OP.
few minutes. But that
I
is the
mean,
thing,
that
right?
is OP.
He can regenerate anything. Even if he loses his wings, his legs, or anything, he can regenerate them.
That is broken. That is literally broken. He
Hmm.
got his entire wing chopped off and he regenerated it like it was nothing. And he blew King. He blew King and Queen. The same chapter. I mean, that was just amazing.
Dude,
What
King
do,
was scared where Marco was attacking him.
yeah, because he didn't thought that that Marco would be able to regenerate his entire wing and then come and kick him. Marco kicks too, King kicks too, Sanji also kicks, but
Hmm.
Sanji is not fighting King. Uh, I don't know, man.
What about
Queen,
Perospero attacking Carrot?
yeah, I thought that, man, I was so pissed when I saw Perospero. I thought that he would have been destroyed by Carrot because he
Hmm.
literally killed Pedro right in front of. I mean, he did
Hmm.
not kill Pedro. Pedro killed himself,
Hmm.
but that was
But
because
he
of
is
Perospero.
responsible.
Yeah, he is responsible in some sort of way, right? And Carrot feels that way. And
Hmm.
I thought that Carrot would have destroyed him, but he destroyed Carrot. I really like that. I mean, the community has been underestimating Perospero, and I think he's
Hmm.
at least third commander level.
But dude, Carrot is supposed to defeat Perospero, and she will do it in the next few chapters, according to me.
Yeah, he was talking
He was talking
smack
shit
to
to her.
her. Yeah, he was talking shit, and that will motivate her in some shit form or some another form. And that's how the shonen, typical shonen is.
Hmm.
She got destroyed, and now she will get motivated. Or maybe the raid fails. Who knows? And these are the first signs of it failing. I mean, it very well could happen because
With
Hoguro,
Hyoro,
yeah,
no, but with Hyoro, I guess like someone said, like the raid like we'll see the dawn of her. That was some that no line. So according to me, it will succeed, but we don't know
Yeah,
how
and Hoguro,
because
before the people, Hoguro went into his old form. I mean,
Hmm.
how is
yeah,
that
he
even
is
possible? Like,
kind of
what?
prime form.
How is that even
I think
possible?
that's some kind of mutation because Hyogoro was poisoned. That means he kind of mutated in this back form.
Yeah,
I don't
that
know how
might
that
be
works.
bro.
There's no scientific
No,
explanation.
no. He says it himself. He says that the venom is bringing out the latent power in him, and is literally using his remaining life form. So he can't withstand this form for much longer. So he is
Hmm.
going to die because the poison is using his latent life form to no his remaining life form to bring out his latent power.
Hmm.
That's what the chapter said. But he is a monster. Monster.
Dude, him and Drake
What?
together.
Huh?
Him and Drake together in a panel. They are
Yeah,
kind of fight.
I don't think that he's going to die by any chance because why would Oda do that? Because he bought his old form in this chapter.
Hmm.
In he's way stronger now. So
Hmm.
why kill him without using him for anything?
No, but he's sacrificing his life for Wano, right? And that's how he should die, according to me. He will get an honorable death.
Yeah, yeah, like
He died
a
saving
warrior
his
should get
country.
an honorable death on the war field. So according to me, he will die, but like causing a great damage to the opposition. According to me, he will give really a great damage to Kaido's army because
Hmm.
he said, "Now, if he goes
He will
into
prove
that
to be a valuable asset.
ice demon thing, then he will kill everyone on that floor."
Hmm. He
Yeah,
himself said that, right?
yeah, exactly. So according to me, yeah, but yeah, he should die because after that, I don't know. I don't think so. It will be his era to live. I don't know. Like,
Aniket, can you hear me? Are you still there?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't think he's going to die either because why would Oda bring his old form back
Hmm.
in this chapter when he
Just for a few minutes, right?
just to kill him, just to kill him.
Yes.
I mean, he's definitely going to use him for something,
Hmm.
and he is going to deal a lot of damage to the beast pirates, and then he's going to die. And this is a cliffhanger. I think that next chapter, either Chopper comes up
We'll
with
find the
a
cure.
cure of some kind, or someone is going to save, someone out of the blue will come and save Hogoro, or some bullshit like that. Just how Marco came and saved everyone uh, earlier, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, I don't think definitely don't think he's going to
I
die.
don't think Yuguru is going to die now, but I think right now he's fighting some goons. But in the next few chapter, he will fight
Yeah,
someone, yeah, of much more significance, and then he will die.
yeah, he's going to die, Mano. Now, I think he's
He's
definitely going to
already
die,
old.
Mano. Yeah, he should die, Mano, for the
Hmm.
story to be good, right? He and
Hmm.
even one or two of the scabbards, if they die, because Oda said that this war is going to be bigger than
Hmm.
Marineford, right? And
Yes.
in Marineford, I mean, two of the one of the some of the most important people, Whitebeard and Ace,
Whitebeard
they
died,
both
and
died.
yeah, they
So if
both died.
nobody dies in this war, I don't know how people are going to take it. How is it going to be better than Marineford if no one is going to die,
Hmm.
right? That's what people say. That's what, yeah, I
yeah,
agree with it.
so Hyogoro should die. Like, if you want to kill people,
Not only Hogoro, I think that
like
Hogoro should die, and some of the uh, Minks
no,
or
no,
some
but
of the
you just
samurai.
said
I
no,
mean,
but
to
you just said that Hyogoro will live.
in
So
order,
No,
he will
when did
live
I
this
say
chapter. He will live for the next few chapters. He has to die
I'm saying that
eventually.
he will not die right here. He will not die because of the venom
Hmm.
oh,
right here because he hasn't fought anyone. Why would Oda bring his powers back, his old form back, where he's stronger, and just kill him a chapter later without him doing anything?
yeah.
I mean,
I
So
think
dude,
he's going to use him for something, and then he will kill him maybe after 4 or 5 chapters or some shit like that, and he will kill him like that.
Yasu is one of the few reasons why we are into Wano, right? So that means he has to die in order for the story to progress.
Nah, he will die because after them, the new shogun and this and that and everything new will come.
Hmm.
He will die. I really wanted to see Sanji versus Jack this chapter, but I guess we're not going to see that.
But this
I
chapter
mean,
was still good, right?
this chapter, yeah, this chapter was amazing. Marco, I mean, the MVP was Marco, without a
We get
doubt.
to see a lot of Marco this chapter.
Without a doubt, it was Marco. I mean, he
Hmm.
literally got his wing cut off, dude. Literally his entire wing cut off. That too by a first commander king, not anyone else, king. And he still wasn't able to do anything to him. And he destroyed. I mean, he didn't destroy, but he kicked the hell out of king. And
Dude,
he also
Queen's
used some kind of an attack, right? He threw an attack at Queen.
Bluebird,
He threw
Bluebird,
some kind of a
Bluebird.
yeah. It's
That was
amazing.
amazing.
Like,
He was
and it
attacked.
yeah,
He was getting attacked by two commanders at the same time. King was using his
yeah, he was
sword.
holding his own. Yeah.
Yes.
And he also said that both of them have a bounty over 1 billion. So I'm guessing that King has 1.5, 1.8 somewhere.
Hmm.
He has to be 1.5, 1.8 because Queen has 1.3, right? So Marco, I'm guessing it has to be at least 2 billion. Marco,
Hmm.
because he also fought Blackbeard,
Hmm.
Wasn't that
right?
he's Whitebeard's first commander, so according to me, at least 2.5.
No, not 2.5. 2
No,
billion is
because
good because he fought
even I guess Whitebeard's own
2.5.
bounty was
Blackbeard's bounty is not even 2.5. How
Dude,
could
will
you
you
say that
think?
Marco's
Dude,
bounty is going to be
will you think
2.5?
Perospero will join forces with King and Queen to defeat Marco? Because in the end,
no.
he says that he looks
He
worn
just
out.
said
Marco looks worn out.
No, he said that this alliance with the Animal Kingdom
he
pirates is not happening.
exactly
Hmm.
He does not want to ally with the Kingdom pirates. Why
yeah
would
he
he
said
ally
that.
with King and Queen?
No, just to defeat Marco he can, but after that he will
No,
betray them, right?
no.
There's a
He doesn't want to
possibility.
do it. He does not want to do anything with the beast pirates. He literally said it that this alliance is
Hmm.
over. We do not want to do anything with Kaido and all because he wants to make Big Mom the king of the pirates.
Hmm.
Right? Her children want to make him that. So yeah, and coming back to that bounty thing, Blackbeard's bounty is not 2.5 billion, and he is an emperor.
Hmm.
So Marcos cannot be 2.5 billion. I think Marcos should be 1.8, around that 1.8. 2.5 could be Mihawk's bounty if we
Hmm.
get to see it. Mihawk's could be 2.5 to 3. I'm guessing it could be that. Marcos could be 2 billion. Who knows? Coming back to Sanji, who do you think is going to fight?
Sanji versus Queen. Sanji versus Jack.
Sanji versus Jack.
Yes.
Queen is still open, right?
Yes.
Queen or Jack, either one of them could fight Sanji. But the previous chapter we got to see Jack, so most people are thinking that Jack
O-
will fight
Okay, so
Sanji.
Carrot is against Perospero, and Jack is against Sanji, and Queen and King are fighting against Marco, right?
But Marco cannot hold them off for too long. I don't
Hmm.
think that Marco can defeat King and Queen. I think he can defeat
Yeah, he
King.
can.
He
Hmm.
Yeah, the
might
max
be
he
able
can
to
do is
defeat King.
stall. The max he
I.
can do is stall them, but
Yeah, he's stalling right now. He's stalling both of them right now, right? But
Hmm.
he cannot. Yeah, I don't think he's going to defeat either
So
of
who will
them.
Zoro end up fighting then?
Yeah, that's still open too. I don't. But honestly speaking, Zoro shouldn't be able to fight anyone after fighting Kaido. If he fights him, extreme diff. He has to go extreme diff to even scar Kaido. And after
Hmm.
scarring him, I don't think he's going to scar Kaido just once. I think he
Hmm.
will give him multiple scars, either 2 or 3, and then he will
Zoro.
drain. Yeah,
Zoro use.
then his haki will be
Yes.
drained completely, and he won't be able to fight anyone. I think so. Because
Hmm.
if he gives Kaido a scar or two, right, and
Hmm.
then comes down worn out after fighting Kaido, and then defeats either King or Queen, I mean, that would be questionable a bit. That would be a huge power creep.
Hmm.
Don't you think so?
Yes. That's what I mean to say, right? He will exhaust himself to harm Kaido in such a way that Kaido will be weakened for Luffy. And then he will be exhausted. Zoro himself will be exhausted.
Yeah. What do you think? The next chapter, predictions for the next chapter. What do you think is going to? Will we see Sanji versus Jack, or will we see Sanji versus Queen?
No, I think Oda
What
will
do you think?
reveal the mysterious character next chapter, and after that, all the
Yeah, there's
action will.
no, I don't think it will be
no,
that early. Like
no, definitely not. I don't think
No,
so either.
not this early though.
No,
This
definitely
not
not.
this early.
Next chapter.
because in Dressrosa and many other arcs, all the action happens all together, and all the reveals are done before the action, right?
No, that's not necessary. But
That's not necessary, but this is how
knowing-
One Piece works.
No, nah, I don't think he's going to reveal. I think that we are going to see Hoguro get saved somehow. He's definitely not going
Chopper
to
will
die.
find the cure.
Yeah, Chopper will find a cure, or some random dude out of the blue will come and save him.
Hmm.
Either that happens, or he really dies,
Hmm.
and that leads up a fire around in everyone's ass, and they go all out the
That'd
way
be
that.
shame. That would be a shame if Yogoro just dies out of nowhere.
Yeah, right, because he just came back this chapter and he was beastly. He was beast,
Hmm.
and he's going to die next chapter. Nah, that doesn't look right to me.
Makes sense.
Yeah, it was 7 out of 10 for me. I would
For
give
me,
it
it was a
7.
strong 8.5 or something because chapter was full of
Yeah.
action.
No,
Yeah,
like
it was.
for me it will be around 8. It was good. It was balanced. It was not.
It was balanced. It was
Yeah.
not bad. It was but good.
It was not
Yeah.
good.
Most
It
people
was
underrate
balanced.
Marco, right? Most
Hmm.
people underrate
Yeah.
Marco because in Marineford he
No,
didn't
but
really
in
do
this,
anything.
yeah, no, but in this he really shined of like for holding
Yeah,
two it's a big
two
deal.
commanders.
Two
Yeah,
commanders. That's a big thing.
because of his he is underrated because of his devil fruit, right? Most people
Hmm.
think that his devil fruit is all about defense. He can only defend himself. He can only defend. He cannot attack. There is no offensive power in his devil fruit. But he has an offensive power,
There
of
is
course.
there is
That's
there
why
is
he's the
offensive.
first commander.
No, there is offensive, but his main like
Yeah,
main
for
100
yeah.
points is for defense.
Yeah, definitely, but that doesn't mean he can't have any offensive powers. I mean, how can you become a first commander, that too of Whitebeard, without having any offensive powers? That
Yeah,
doesn't make sense. People just take it too far sometimes. I think Marco is very, very underrated. He could be very well the strongest first commander after Ben Beckman, that is. Not stronger than Ben Beckman. We'll
yeah,
see.
even I agree to it to some extent. Yeah.